tonight. South-southwest winds between 60 to 70 miles per hour due to enveloped downburst winds. The areas affected include Tarrant, Dallas, Hood, Johnson, and Ellis counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The current
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning in effect until midnight for Tarrant, Dallas, Hood, Johnson, and Ellis counties. Damaging winds from decaying thunderstorms will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Once again, this is a high wind warning for Tarrant, Dallas, Hood, Johnson, and Ellis counties until midnight tonight. Decaying thunderstorms are spreading winds of 60-plus miles per hour across North Texas. Damaging winds can blow down trees, power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel can be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.